guys, welcome back to Bihagi. So today we are going to solve a medium level problem, that is a group anagram. So here the goal is to group the words that are anagram to each other into separate lists. Okay. So the problem is commonly asked in tech interviews at companies like Amazon, Google, etc. Okay. So stick around to learn a clean and efficient code. Okay. So anagram words are made by rearranging the letters of another word. For example, we have eat and tea. Okay, and we have another word, we can say that eight. Okay, so these three words are anagram to each other because characters are same, but the difference is that the arrangement is different. Okay, that's why all the three strings are stick together. Okay, so let's do it in Java. So what we are going to do, the approach we are going to follow, there are basically four steps. First, what we will do, we will create a hash map. Okay, so why hash map? Hash map is needed to group anagram based on their sorted version. Okay, and step two, the process of each string. For every words we will sort its character alphabetically first. Okay, then the sorted version act as a key in our map. Okay, like we can see that eat, and like we can see tea. So these two words are anagram to each other, but what we will do, we will sort it. So it will be like a, e and t, and for this case it is also same. So we will act the sorted string as a key here. Okay, and next third step will be, we will use a compute if absent. Okay, we use compute if absent to make sure that every key has a string to store anagram. Okay, and last will be our collective result. Finally we will return all the value in the map as a result, which are grouped anagram. Okay, so how we are going to do, first as we discussed, we will have a hash map. Okay, so we will define a map here, and map will have two things. First will be the string, that will be a key r, and second will be the list of all the anagrams. So we will have a mm, list of string. Okay, right, and we will name it as map, equal to new hash map. Fine. Now what we have to do, we have to iterate. Okay, so for string s. Okay, we are getting a string of like strs from parameter. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to char, and we need a char array, fine, that is equal to str we are getting. Okay, from sts. So currently we have s only here. Okay, so we will s dot, we will create it into to char array, fine. And now what we have to do, we have to sort. So we have arrays dot sort, fine. And inside that we have to pass char array, fine. It gets sorted. Now it will act as a our key. Okay. So string, next will be our, we'll put it at store name, fine. Store will have again a string. We have to again converted it into the string. Okay, sts dot, one second, yes, new string, and then inside that we have to pass that char array, that is char char array, right? Char array, fine. And after that we have, what have to do, we have to insert it inside a map, or compute if a b sent absent if, and inside that we will pass a key. That will be a sorted one. So sorted one is what we have put it name as store. Store, right? And then we will have a key, okay, where we have to put a condition. If it's empty, so we will put an empty error inside list, and then we will pass add here what we are passing, that s character, right? Now what we have to do, we the things are done, all the steps. Now what I have to do, we have to return it. So return new array list, okay, and beside that what we have to do, values now. So map dot values, and we just it fine, it's accepted. Now I have to submit it. Fine, it's got submitted also. Now as you see that uh, while processing, like for each string, what the complexities took, like n o of n log n, and so the total complexity is here is the k n log n. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to Bihar Geeks for more awesome coding tutorials. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.